Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. This is the 12th video lesson of Scratch Junior and the topic of today's lesson is revision part 3. So let's start the revision. This is the interface of Scratch Junior application. In the previous videos, we had already discussed motion block, looks block, sound block, control block. In this lesson, we will revise end block and triggering block. First start with end block. These are the two scripts of end block. First is used to end the script, whatever is happening on the stage. Okay, see how it works. We will add another block scripts like motion block, move right, move left, then add this end script. Okay, change the numbers. You can see if we touch this, then move left, right, and then stop. That means end. Okay, if this end block script works, attached at the beginning, then these not works. These scripts after the end block will not work. See, you can see it is not working. Move left and move right is not working on the stage because first end block is attached here. Okay, next is repeat forever. This script is used to repeat again and again the scripts on the stage. That means it will not end the scripts or animation until or unless we tap on this green flag button. See, we end this, attach this at the end, then see, it cat is moving left and right again and again on the stage until or unless we will tap on this red hexagon button, which will change to green flag button after tapping on it. So this is the use of repeat forever. Now we will talk about triggering block. These are the different triggering block script. The basic use of triggering block is used to start the scripts on the stage. Okay, and good thing is about that it can work on the full screen mode. Okay, how? Because it is green flag, that is on the full screen mode. Second is start on tap cat, that means touch the sprite and start working. Next is start on bump cat, that means other character touches the cat, then it will start working. And these are the used to send the color code messages. Okay, all these things can be happen on the full screen mode. So how it will happen? See, first we will add green flag on the programming area, then we will add some motion block script like move down. Okay, we change the number, uh, go to the full screen mode, touch the green flag. Understood? Next we will add next triggering block script, that is start on touch cat. Okay, and attach this here, then again go to full screen mode, touch the cat, and it will move downwards because it is attached here. Now next is start on bump cat. Okay, for this we need another sprite on the stage. Okay, we can add anything. We add fish, that is whale. Okay, now adjust the sprite on the stage. First we add the script in the cat sprite. Okay, what we'll add? We add start on bump cat. Okay, then what it will do, it will move in left direction, then in right direction, change the number. Understood? Then we add script on the whale sprite. What can we add? We add start on tap whale. Okay. Then we will add move down. Okay. We change the number. Okay. Now go to full screen mode and we have to touch the whale. Okay. Touches the whale. Then if it touches the cat, then it will move right and left and right. Okay. Again we can see whale on continuously touching the cat, it will continuously moving on the stage. Okay, if we touch this red hexagon button, then it will stop. Okay, next is start send message and start on orange message. Okay, for this we also need two sprites, so we work with this also. Adjust the sprite. Whale is sending the message. How it will send? If we touch this, it will send the message. Okay, we can change the color. Now here we have to add this script. Okay, that is sending, so cat is receiving. Whale is sending, so cat is receiving the message. And we have to change the color also, because both the message colors should be same. If it is not same, then it will not work. Okay, do in the full screen mode, we have to touch the whale and cat is doing according to that. Okay, because whale is sending the message and cat is receiving the message. Now if we change the colors, then what will happen? We change it to white and here is remains violet. Okay, then if we touch the whale, then nothing is happening because cat is not receiving that particular message, because color is changed in both the places. So color message should be same in both the places to work on. Okay, this is all about all the block. Revision is done, so keep practicing at your home. That's all for today. Thank you, students.